to Chicago. Here we are on the train. Just missed the train. Something about blue lines. And there we go. I'm gonna go to Western. This is pretty easy, Jonathan. Got him with Apple Pay. Okay, we're recording now. Hey, cat. Oh, drone.
She's so cute. She's so cute. She's so cute.
Oh, from underneath.
There's some great cat pictures.
Here we are in Chinatown. Found out our dim sum restaurant has an hour-long wait, and we're scrambling. John's found boba tea in another place. His dad's sitting with his knee brace. Here's mom. She got her bag.
We could all just go in and stare at people.
She made her friend at the store. Hello, we finally got a table. Got a table. Chinatown Park, aka for realsies. Gotta make sure. Go to the pagoda. Playground. Dragon boats. Ooh, pagoda. Close to this mural. Hollywood. Look, we're in front of a mural. Oh, so smooth into Jonathan's face. Oh. Very ears. I think for the comedy show. Cheers! Cheers for the camera! B-roll! Here we are at Whole Foods bar for the first time. This is a thing.
Yeah, they're in most Whole Foods.
I don't see them in any Whole Foods. This is the best thing of Chicago. Free
Didn't you see
Wi-Fi.
that chick walking through the store with a glass of wine?
Yeah, you can shop with your glass of
I
wine.
want to shop with my glass of wine. I'm going to shop at Whole Foods now.
Cheers.
I'm a Whole Foods guy. Cheers. Barcade. Chicago Bridge. That's pretty cool.
Best photos are on the other side.
With the town in the background. You could see that. Woo. There's Michigan. It's okay, it's taking a video. Woo! Art Institute. There's some fountains. Could just go under there right now. Oh, we're in the beam. Liz, you're ruining. We can make it. We can make it. We can make it. We can make it. Gimbal, 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 gimbal.
Seconds. World record time.
Like turn around, realize you guys aren't close.
Just wanted to test out the gimbal. It flashes red so you know it's on that side. That's pro. Oh. Oh, just put it back. What?
Giving you such great footage right
Yeah. It's all on the force. Are these professionals? Oh my god.
now. 0-0.
We got Trump Tower. Trying to run to the boat tour real quick. We'll get better footage. Better views in a second, but we're in downtown Chicago. And we'll get on this boat architecture tour pretty soon. There's a premier Apple store. So iconic. Let's get ready for this.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome aboard Star Chicago Shoreline Sightseeing 75-minute architecture tour. Before getting underway, we have a brief safety announcement. This vessel's been inspected and licensed by the U.S. Coast Guard and meets and or exceeds any and all expectations. In the unlikely event.
In 1930, it was the largest building in the world, meaning it had the most space on the inside. Now this building is completed in the Art Deco style of architecture. I want you guys to be able to start identifying these different architecture styles. So here's what to look for in an Art Deco building.
Identify.
We're going to see a lot less handmade details, and we're going to see a lot more streamlined verticality. We're going to see buildings that appear to have been printed off a machine. And we're going to look all the way up at the very ceiling of this building. We're going to notice 6 circular cutouts at the Alrighty guys, as we pass underneath the Kenzie Street Bridge here, we're going to see a beautiful view here to the left of our Carroll Street Railroad Bridge of 1908. Now this bridge is landmarked, and as we can see, it's the bridge from nowhere to absolutely nowhere, so it is no longer in use today.
Try it.
Try it.
Try it on this video camera.
I feel like that's very personal. I'm not going to try it. Jonathan can try it.
See, totally fine. I am not scared. Not scared. Not scared of the tummy tickles.
Only 2 of those 9 reach all the way to the very top, but currently is their covenant. And as you come in the building, we're going to get a nice view, hopefully, of what I'm talking about. It's these 4 glass blocks. They're just sort of
Champagne bottle
without any falling debris from the bridge up above. Now, as you can see in here, we're going to take a look diagonally to the
Hi, squad.
on the base of the bed, or attraction.
Round Tower. NBC Tower. Nice selfie. Panorama.
Check out those views.
Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at those God rays. Look at those God rays through that cloud. Ooh.
From here, the clouds are never natural.
Yeah, see, lots of clouds. Rain just coming in.
So epic.
This is the back alley to Jonathan's apartment. Good footage.
Good footage. Gotta make memories. This is how we get in. This alleyway. It smells like pee. Everywhere. It's not pee though. Definitely is pee.